workplace, safety is paramount. Understanding the root causes of incidents is critical to maintaining a secure environment. Using Fishbone Diagram for Safety Investigations, Step-by-Step Guide. Understand the purpose of the Fishbone Diagram in safety investigations. Learn how to create a Fishbone Diagram step by step. Identify key categories of causes in workplace incidents. Apply the Fishbone Diagram to real-world safety scenarios. Explore the Fishbone Diagram and its role in identifying safety issues. A Fishbone Diagram is a visual tool to discover the root causes of problems. Purpose: it organizes potential factors contributing to the issue at hand. Action: utilize it after noting any workplace incident. Let's delve into the steps to create a Fishbone Diagram. Step summary: define the issue, draw branches, list causes. Action: collaborate with your team for a comprehensive analysis. Understanding the cause categories is vital. Main categories: people, process, equipment, environment, materials, management. Action: evaluate all categories during an incident investigation. Now, let's apply the knowledge with real-world examples. Example cases: forklift accidents, near misses, equipment failures, and safety violations. Action: document insights to enhance safety measures. Let's test your understanding with some real-life examples. Imagine a scenario where a near miss occurs due to falling materials. Analyze factors. Assess possible causes like shelving quality or employee awareness. Document findings. Share the insights to prevent future incidents. In this situation, we analyze the causes of machine malfunction. Evaluate issues. Consider operator training, equipment maintenance, and procedures. Improve safety. Implement changes based on identified root causes. Understanding root causes helps prevent future accidents. The Fishbone Diagram is crucial for systematic investigations. Categories assist in thorough analysis of incidents. Every incident is a chance to enhance workplace safety. Like, share, and subscribe for more safety training videos. Thank you for focusing on safety and improvement.